Hi. After a long time I have a challenge lock for you guys, and it's from K1 Locks, and it's called Fisting. Interesting name. It's a Corbin Ross one. I mummified the key because it was not mummified when he sent it to me, and I immediately mummified, and as far as I can remember, it was crazy beating. That's the only thing that I remember. It was like a couple of months ago. So yeah, K1 locks beat the lock fisting. So let's try picking it. Yes, as usual, I will rotate it and pick it with pins down. That's my preferred way, as you know. And I will use this tension tool. I think it's going to work. I just prepared it, and of course standard deforced diamond, and it's easier for me like this clockwise tensioning. We'll see how it goes, and maybe I will switch or reset. So yeah, let's start it. I did not check how many pins we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then it's a 6-pin lock. Interesting. And yeah, let's start. 1, nothing, 2, 3, 4. Let me focus on the lock, just in case my phone wants sometimes to go out of focus. So nothing is blinding. 6. Interesting. Click from 6. We are immediately in the full set. So let me check. 1, nothing, 2, 3, 4, 5, nothing, 6, nothing. So let's go back. 1, 2, 2, 2. I need deeper hook. 2, 1, 2. Now like nothing from 2, or I'm picking the bidding, the wording. Sorry, click from 2. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just wanted to say we already picked 6, but 6 is giving me counter rotation. I cannot get pin number 6. Come on, 6. Come on. Click from 6. No, it's back, and I lost my full set. Interesting. Ace is going to be a very fun pick. 2 is good. 3, 4, 5. Again 6. I cannot reach 6 with this deep hook. Let me try to get deep hook. This is 0.4 millimeters VO4 multi-pick. Here's the 0.4 upside down. So let me try with this 6. I did not pick 4, 5, 3. No, 5 I touched. 3 and 4 I did not even touch. I don't know why. Come on. Click. No. No, now it seems to be picked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me check 2 again. Is 2 back? No. So seems like I did not pick pin number 6 again. Interesting, very interesting. That's why I mummify the key. Yeah, 6. Come on, 6. Counter rotation. Go home. Click. No. Click. Oh yes, it's open. Oh wow, I did not touch pin number. I did not touch pin number. I think I don't remember, but I don't remember that I touched pin number 3 and pin number 4. So let me grab the key. Let me try to unmummify. Why didn't? Oh, that's why. Look at that beading. So 1, it's very short. 2, it's very long. 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, and 5. They're like 0 beaded. Maybe only 3 0 beaded for its 1 cut, and the last one it's so let me check if this is working. Yeah, it's catching a bit, but of course this is a Chinese lock, so So it was a bit crazy gutting. It was not my best gutting that I had, but yeah, fantastic pins, fantastic done on the core, and it's really crazy. So let's check. This is a second one. It's counter milled. 1 and 2 nothing, 3 and 4 threaded, and 5 it's counter milled. So fantastic work on the core, nothing else. I was unable to, yes, some spring, it's, so I think this was spring number 4. Some of the spring I cannot even remove. So I don't know if you can see, but there is a spring in chamber number 1, but I cannot remove it. Probably he pinched it somehow like this, and all the chambers are serrated. They're threaded. So yeah, fantastic job. But the only problem is I cannot remove what it's 1, 3, and this is like stuck. I cannot remove the spring, and I don't want to damage the spring. So let's go with the pins. A fantastic job. So as you can see, he did a fantastic job on the drivers and on the key pins, especially on the key pins. So the first one is this rated double spool. The second one is this T-pin / serrated. The The third one is this very sharp double tipping. This one is the most awesome one in my opinion. Torpedo like with a two very shallow serration and two deep serration. It's a fantastic work, very nice, very beautiful pin. The same thing goes to for pin number 5. Very nice tipping, then serrations, then spool, something in between. And the last one, the problematic one, is this tipping, very nasty one. The drivers 1 and 2 are standard, and rest of them are spools. A very interesting one. Springs, these are like this, and I think the sixth one is the same, and the 1 and 3 are very small one or half springs. I don't know, to be honest, but it's a very nice job by Cable Lock. You did fantastic job, especially with these drivers. I need to check with you if this is the right orientation or order, because I dropped the pins sadly, but yeah, it's happening like that. So yeah, that was the Cable Lock's fisting. Now I think I understood the meaning of the what he meant with the name of the lock, and how he built it, and how he put it together. So guys, Cable Lock, thank you very much for pinning it. Thank you very much for sending it to me, guys. Thanks for watching. Check Cable Lock's his fantastic picker. Check his channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Have a nice picking, and bye bye.